Samsung is finally stepping into the next generation of foldable tech, and this time, it's not just another fold or flip refresh. The company is reportedly preparing to unveil its first ever commercial tri-folding smartphone, the Galaxy Z Trifold, on December 5th. This is easily Samsung's most ambitious foldable project to date. The Trifold isn't just about folding once, it folds twice, transforming from a compact phone to a massive 10-inch tablet-class display while still offering a 6.5-inch outer screen for regular use. Naturally, that kind of engineering doesn't come cheap. Early reports put the price tag near $3,000, a figure that basically screams bleeding-edge tech. After years of concept models, patent filings, and endless speculation, Samsung finally seems ready to ship the real thing. Firmware testing for the US model, labeled SM-F968U1, has now begun, according to a report from Android Headlines. And what makes this interesting is when the testing started. This late-cycle firmware testing is unusual and suggests Samsung may have kept development under tight wraps until the end. Either they're compressing their final testing phase, or they've been securing the final software build behind closed doors to avoid leaks. In any case, the start of unlocked firmware testing is a clear sign that preparations for the US release are now fully in motion. The report also notes that Samsung is planning both locked and unlocked variants, but don't expect a global rollout at launch. The Galaxy Z Trifold will likely debut in a very limited set of regions. The US might end up being the only Western market included initially. Beyond that, Samsung is expected to bring the device to South Korea, China, Singapore, Taiwan, and the UAE, essentially markets where foldables already perform strongly and early adoption is high. Now, let's talk design, because that's where the real magic happens. The Galaxy Z Trifold uses a special dual-hinge structure that allows the device to fold in two places. When closed, it stays surprisingly compact. Open it up, and you get a wide 10-inch canvas, turning the phone into a portable productivity machine. Samsung is reportedly targeting a portable PC experience, so naturally, the Trifold will need a top-tier Snapdragon processor to keep everything running smoothly. A recent leak claims the phone will pack a sizable 5,437 mAh battery, which is impressive considering the amount of display hardware inside. Even more interesting are the thickness numbers. One panel might be just 3.9 millimeters, while the other two measure around 4 millimeters and 4.2 millimeters. If accurate, that would actually make the Trifold slimmer than the Galaxy Z Fold 7 when fully opened. And Samsung isn't stopping there. The device may include a 200-megapixel main camera and displays capable of hitting 2600 nits brightness, making it a powerhouse on both productivity and multimedia fronts. Speaking of Samsung's premium lineup, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is gearing up for some major upgrades of its own. If you want the full breakdown, I've linked a video for you to dive into. Thanks for watching.